everyone, I'm JC and this is the 2020 BMW M340i. As you can see, it's in this beautiful color, the sunset threat, and it drives like a beast, but look at this puny spoiler that they installed on this car. What were they thinking? It's so puny that I feel like it generates upforce. I've been feeling down about how little downforce this car is generating when I make those corners. So I've decided to swap it out for this M4 style carbon fiber boot spoiler. So I'm going to show you how you can do that, and with a little bit of care, you too can install this on your beautiful car. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is remove this puny spoiler. To do that, we're going to heat up the adhesive with the help of a heat gun. But come on, what kind of girl has a heat gun? So I'm going to use this trusty little device that every girl should have. Just kidding, you don't need that. All you need is some fishing line, protective gloves, and a bit of brute force. Break up the adhesive. You knew that fishing line could help you catch not only fish, but downforce. So this is just a reminder to floss every night. Okay. Now we remove this puny spoiler. What is this thing? Get out of here. That was easy as thanks to the handy dandy hairdryer, but it's left this dirty adhesive on the car, and we want to get rid of it. Now for some serious tools. This is an adhesive removing wheel. Is that right?
I'm just gonna come right out. I have no idea what's going on.
It's made of rubber, so it won't damage your car. That was easy. Just kidding. That was an arduous task. Have fun with that one.
2 hours later.
So as you can see, there's some leftover adhesive here. Well, quite a lot. But we're going to use a bit of alcohol. Just kidding, don't do that. Combine the two, dilute this. This is very strong. This is 100% isopropyl alcohol. You want to dilute that with a bit of water, and then we're going to use that to get this off. Now, it's finally done. Worthy of a bear. BMW, please just don't install this puny spoiler at all. Save us from that arduous task. So now we're going to try it on. She's pretty sexy. What do you think? Good to go? So I've just laid down some masking tape to guide me as to where to put it. And I've actually already laid down the double-sided tape here. Let's do it. So So this is called the gung-ho method. I probably have to remove my gloves for this. And there you have it. We've just leveled up the car with an M4 style carbon fiber boot spoiler. Now with this baby on board, we've shed about 100 kilos off this car because everybody knows that carbon fiber is extremely light. And on top of that, I'm expecting to generate some extreme downforce as I corner my way down to the shops. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found that helpful. Please consider subscribing as I'll be doing some more juicy mods to this car. See you next time.